In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Zoho Analytics. We'll take a comprehensive tour of the workspace menu, ensuring that by the end, you'll feel ready to dive into creating reports and exploring your data with confidence. Let's begin with Explorer. This is essentially the central hub of your workspace, giving you a bird's-eye view of everything, from dashboards to reports, tables, and folders. It's all laid out in one convenient place. Think of it as your go-to spot for accessing and organizing all your analytics assets quickly and efficiently. Next up, we have the Dashboard section. Clicking on Dashboard introduces you to a world where you can find or craft your own dashboards. These dashboards are visual summaries that beautifully combine charts, key performance indicators, and widgets all on one screen. If you're inspired to create one, simply hit the Create button located at the top right corner. This allows you to build bespoke dashboards that can cater to various data visualization needs. Now, let's move on to the Reports section. Here, you'll find all your visual reports, which include charts, pivot tables, and summary views. It's a treasure trove of insights waiting to be explored. If you're eager to create a new report, click on the Create button. From there, you can select the type of report you desire and the specific data table you wish to analyze. This functionality ensures you always have the right tools at your fingertips to turn data into actionable insights. Our journey takes us next to the Data section. Click on Data, and you'll be greeted by your raw data tables. This is the backbone of your analytics, housing all imported or synced data. Within this section, you're empowered to not only view data, but also to create query tables, add formula columns, or clean up data directly. It's a powerful part of Zoho Analytics that ensures your data remains accurate and ready for analysis. Let's now try Ask Zia. Select Ask Zia, and you'll meet Zoho's AI assistant. With this feature, you can type questions in plain English, such as "Show me sales by month," and Zia will promptly generate a chart or table for you. This is a fantastic tool for those moments when you want instant insights without sifting through complex datasets. Moving on to data sources, this is where you manage all your connected data, be it spreadsheets, databases, or business apps. Click Add Data when you're ready to connect new sources or wish to set up scheduled syncs. This ensures that your analytics are always fed with the freshest data possible. Then we have Settings. Clicking on Settings allows you to customize your workspace. Here, you can manage users, set permissions, adjust time zones, or even change currency settings. It's also the place to schedule email reports, making sure everyone is aligned and informed. Lastly, there's Trash. Here, anything you delete, whether it's dashboards, reports, or data tables, is temporarily housed. You have the flexibility to either restore or permanently delete them, offering a safety net for any accidental deletions. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of the Zoho Analytics Workspace menu. You're now equipped to explore data, create insightful reports, and manage your workspace with ease. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more quick tutorials.